called Alice. I'm a Chinese girl. I live in England now. And I'm going to show you how to speak Chinese. Let's continue learning fruits. And I am going to show you 5 words. Orange, in Chinese we say it 橙子
橙子 Do you want an orange? 你想要一个橙子吗？
Apricot, in Chinese we say it
杏 The apricots are ripe and sweet. 杏是熟的和甜的。
Pineapple, in Chinese we say it in 菠
菠萝 I like to eat fresh pineapples. 我喜欢吃新鲜的菠萝。
Kiwi, in Chinese is 猕猴桃
Kiwifruit is sour and sweet. 猕猴桃是酸甜的。
Pitaya, in Chinese is 火龙果
Pitaya is a large red fruit. 火龙果是个大的红色的水果。
That's all for today. Bye!